Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to share with you guys a really quick way to use n8n to help you get daily news items that you're interested in. This can set a trigger timer and it will send you a newsletter on all of the topics that you're interested in. So I'll show you exactly how to do it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to create an n8n account. Basically, when you sign into n8n, it brings you to your workflows, and then you can create a workflow. I'm just going to show you the one that I created because it's quite simple. We'll call it AI News. The first thing you do is you set a timer. So I'll just show you here. Let's create a node, and it would be a schedule trigger, and that's the one you're going to set up. Then you're going to go days, every day, trigger hour, 6 a.m. And then the setup, you're going to set some parameters. The API key, you're going to go ahead and use your API key here. You're going to get it from the news API. I think it's newsapi.com. Yes, it's newsapi.com. And it's like really easy in terms of pricing. You get like 100 requests per day, and we're only doing like 5 requests for 5 different articles. So you can just go ahead and get your API key there. You're going to want to copy it, and then you put it into n8n. The next thing is like news age. So that's like how many days in the past you want to collect from. Max articles. You could select how many articles you want to collect. Email who you want to send it to. So then once that's set up, and by the way, this one is, if I add a new node here, it's edit fields. So you just go here, boom, and then add field and start adding your fields in that way. And then the next thing is HTTP request. So this is actually the request for the URL and how to send it. I'll just copy and paste this in the comments, but this is kind of how you're going to get all of that information from News API. The next one is the code. I'll also paste in the comments, but you could just ask like AI, hey, give me like an HTML page that's going to output the information in the way we want it. And then send message. It's just a node that if you just go plus node Gmail and then email and then send, there you go. And then you can set it up that way. And I can also paste this all in the information, but you're going to want to basically this one setup is from here. So you're taking all the information from the setup, subject, I can paste in the comments, email type, etc. And then if we run this, once it's all set up, basically it's going to go to the news API, gather the latest AI news. Basically what I did was I specified the top AI companies. Oh, if we go here, oh, sorry, where does it say? Oh yeah, OpenAI, Anthropic, Grok, DeepSeek, Mistral. So it's actually getting news on these keywords, these companies, and you can get much more detailed, like what exactly about those companies you want to gather. But let's go to my mailbox, and this is what just came in. And it's really nice. I actually asked it to specify, make it look like Notion. Like I really like Notion, so try to make it look world class in the UX. And I could see myself coming and reading this every day. And this is just a really simple way to run an automation and just save you that time from having to gather all this data from different news sources. So if you're interested in more automations, please put them in the comments. I will make it and post a video. I'm trying to post a video every day, so really looking forward to getting some inspiration. Actually, on another note, that MCP, which I'm not going to show in this video how to set it up, but it's actually really good because it has been giving me ideas. So you can set it up in your terminal. I don't know if you use like an IDE, but you can just set that up in your terminal, and then you can ask questions like, hey, give me some ideas. And I actually used Cursor and got some ideas for how to do it. So thank you so much for watching. Please drop your ideas in the comments for what you want to automate, and looking forward to the next one.